Eighth question I'm going to answer is about vectors. How to write down correct direction of vectors and how to simplify them and find them. So eighth question states, the diagram shows a quadrilateral OABC rough structure. OABC, this is P, O, A and C. This is given 5x, this is given 16x plus 6y, and this is given 9y and in this quadrilateral the vectors OA, OB and OC are given by 5x, 16x plus 6y and 9y. Given that M is midpoint of vector OB, express the following in its simplest form. A part stays OM, and we know M is the midpoint of OB, so OM is equal to half of vector OB. So half of, we know the value of OB from the question, 16x plus 6y, and if we divide that by 2, the value come up to be 8x plus 3y. B part says we need to find the value of AC. We know AC is equal to AO plus OC, and if in the diagram we go from A from O vector, the direction of the vector is opposite, so instead of 5x we need to write down minus 5x, and OC is already given as plus 9y, so answer is 9y minus 5x. So that's your answer, and that's how you can identify the direction and use it in the question.